Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Lokithor jump starter. First, always prioritize safety. Before you begin, make sure your Lokithor jump starter is fully charged. A full charge ensures maximum power delivery. It's also crucial to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands. Finally, double-check that your vehicle's battery voltage, usually 12 volts, is compatible with your jump starter to prevent any damage. Now let's connect the cables. Take the red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your vehicle's battery. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block or chassis, ensuring it's away from the battery itself. This provides a good ground connection. Before proceeding, confirm both clamps are firmly attached and not making contact with each other, which could cause a short circuit. With the cables properly connected, it's time to start your vehicle. Turn on your Lokithor jump starter. Then, get into your vehicle and attempt to start the engine. Crank the engine for no more than 3 to 5 seconds at a time. If the vehicle doesn't start on the first try, wait for at least 60 seconds before making another attempt. This allows the jump starter to cool down and prevents overheating, ensuring its longevity and effectiveness. Congratulations, your vehicle has started. Now, it's time to disconnect the jump starter safely. First, remove the black negative clamp from the engine block or chassis. Then, carefully disconnect the red positive clamp from the battery terminal. Once both clamps are removed, allow your vehicle to run for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This crucial step helps your vehicle's alternator recharge its own battery, ensuring you won't need another jump start soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.